So a lot of people are not happy with the dash that comes whether you get the black interior or the white interior on your Tesla. And this company, Hills, has some solutions for you. So I've got a black wood conversion that we're going to do today. And I've also got a matte carbon look that we're going to put on a Model 3 as well. So I'm going to show you the before and after of this. Currently I have a carbon fiber dash in the car, but I'm going to be putting this OEM one back in. Instead of having the white dash, we're going to do the black ash wood finish. It looks incredible. And again, I'll have like a discount code and link to their website in the description, but I'm going to show you how clean this can look and we're going to put it on the car. Also, in terms of packaging, this is arguably the nicest packaging I've ever seen for anything that I've ever received. It's like some structural rigidity to it. Ooh, that was satisfying. I would order this just to open it. The one that comes with the Model 3 and Y, it's not real wood, it's almost like a vinyl, it's junk. This is what Hills specializes in, is real wood. This is real wood. It just looks so much more quality. It looks like the interior of like a Mercedes or BMW, but this is just going to enhance and or differentiate from what you currently have from the factory. And again, anytime that I, approve something to be showed on the channel, it has to be like an OEM plus look. It can't be like that stuck on junk. And this just kind of fits the bill. I mean, this is so clean. It's a little dusty. It's dusty because it's real wood. It came out of the forest. And another thing that people talk about, the reason that they get rid of their white dash is because of the glare that happens when you're on really sunny days. So this will not only get rid of the glare, it'll give you a nice luxurious look that's not common. And then when someone gets in your car, they will just think that's how the car came. So first thing we do as a reminder is to remove this little side piece right here. I just took this blade, stuck it in right here and popped it out. That took about 13 seconds. If you've never done that before, it's going to be a little harder to remove the first time. You're not going to break it though, because these pieces are like soft rubber. So you'll be okay kind of pulling it off. It's going to make a loud pop, but everything's fine. So now to remove the dash, you just kind of pull up and it disconnects. So again, all of the clips are similar to those ones right there. So that's what they look like and kind of what you're dealing with on the back end. So pretty stable, they're not gonna break, and it just pops right off. See? Comes off kind of rough, but it's okay. Now, the key when you're installing it and putting it back in is on the end, there are these little clips, and all you need to do is get one of them lined up. And as soon as you have one lined up, that's gonna line the rest of them, and it should click back into place. Now, the finishing touch with this dash piece is gonna be this end cap. Again, it fits perfectly, and they have the 3M adhesive already here for you. So as you can see, just the end result, these lines go perfectly together, better than any of the panel lines on a Tesla. And the fit and finish, again, it just blends into the car. It looks like it should have come like this from the factory. And again, that's a key aspect that I look at when looking for aftermarket parts. Now the next thing we're gonna do is cover up the center console. I had these matte black ones here from Tempe on. I forgot that these were like gloss black. It's such a bad design, and I'm happy they've moved away from that. But if you have some of the earlier Model Ys or 3s, Hills has a solution, and we're gonna be putting on a matching wood set like we have on the dash. So the interior wood conversion is basically complete, and this is the most complete kit I've ever seen because it has this strip right here, which actually goes up underneath the top cover just above where you charge your cell phone. So for the earlier models, you have this. I've never seen another company that has this coverage that goes all the way up there, even though it's in a place you can't really see. The fact that they went to the nth degree to make sure it was covered, pretty cool. The other thing Hills sent that a lot of people like to use is a screen protector. It has all the directions on the back, so we're gonna get that installed now. It should prevent fingerprints. You can see all the fingerprints that are on the screen right now. A lot of people use screen protectors. I personally don't, but I just wanted to test this one out. If I was gonna test one, I really liked theirs. The kit comes with this cleaning wipe, this little squeegee thing to help make sure it sits flush, and then dust removal sticker, which I didn't know existed. And then also it comes with this little microfiber glass cleaning towelette that you can leave in your car. So let's do the lens and screen cleaning wipe first. Tara here just didn't do that. Just didn't do it. Can't read. How's everyone doing, by the way? Are we doing good? Good. Doing really good. I gotta say, that screen is cleaner than it came from factory. I mean, from factory, it comes with like, you know, people in the Tesla factory, Elon's like, if you ain't working, you're fired. They're probably like smoking cigarettes, and that's the issue. That's why these cars come a mess from the factories, because they work 24 hours a day. Anyways, let's get this put on. If you're not working, you're fired. Yes. Well, it's not that we don't value you. We just value profit, right? Profit. You know what profit is? Peel off protected film. Oh, right here. It's labeled 1, 2, and I couldn't even follow that. It's like no matter how easy they try to make it, there's always someone that's dumb enough to screw it up. And in that case, it's me. All right, now the fun part. Boom, baby. That's gorgeous. Now, one of the things that I like about this specific screen cover, what I didn't like in previous screen covers, is it in some way blurs vision of the display, whereas this still has that really high definition look to it. So it's really nice that it has that, again, reducing the amount of fingerprints. It's really slick feeling on here, so nice product. So anytime you're searching for an aftermarket part, one thing I always look for, again, is that OEM plus look. You want to get in the car and not even think about it being from an aftermarket company. Teslas are very minimalistic and clean looking on the inside, and Hills does a nice job of maintaining that ethos. I hate that term, but that's actually a good use for it. Ethos is a good use for it. So this looks really clean. A lot of their products are great. They have a bunch of different colors on their website. I'll have it all linked below. Now this is one of many accessories. So if you want to watch a video showing Tesla accessories under $100, you can click this video right here. If you want to watch Tesla accessories over $100, like these ones, you can click this video right here.